I've seen a lot of people who were really concerned with the seat making process of wrapping, and they're really worried about the idea that if they don't get a really good, perfect seat, that baby is just going to fall out of the bottom of the carry. And that's just in general not true. And a lot of people tend to neglect the importance of keeping the top rail of the wrap tight. And so I have a quick example of something that I think might help you feel better. Come here. There is no seat. As you can see, there is no seat to this carry. Granted, there are some reinforcing passes to hold her legs up, which is, in general, what the whole point of a seat is.
Oh, no. I'm falling down.
She says she's falling down, but she's not. She's not going anywhere. It may not be the comfiest thing, which is the other point of the seat, is to add support and comfort and spinal support.
Oh no, I'm falling down.
But as you can see, she's not going anywhere. She is safe. So that's just to point out that the most important part when wrapping is a tight top rail. And you do need to learn how to make a good seat eventually, but don't agonize over it during the learning process. You'll get it.